Welcome to my channel, the place where every recipe comes with a pinch of fun. If you want to learn how to make fluffy and delicious American pancakes, there is no better place. This recipe is simple, quick and perfect for any special breakfast. So, get the ingredients ready, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel, because this recipe will win you over with its flavor and practicality. Ingredients for 8 medium pancakes. 1½ cups of wheat flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1½ cups of milk. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, optional. The first step is to mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add the sifted flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. Stir well with a whisk to ensure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now, in another bowl, prepare the liquid ingredients. Crack the egg and beat lightly with a fork. Then add the milk and melted butter. If you want to give your pancakes an extra flavor, add the vanilla essence. Mix everything until smooth. Now, it's time to combine the dry and liquid ingredients. Pour the liquid mixture into the bowl with the flour and mix gently with a whisk or spatula. The secret to fluffy pancakes is not to overmix. The batter may have some small lumps, and this is normal. If you overmix, the gluten in the flour will start to develop and your pancakes may be tougher. Now that the batter is ready, let's heat up the pan. Use a non-stick pan and heat it over medium heat. When it's hot, lightly grease it with a little oil or butter. Now, using a ladle, pour portions of batter into the pan. For really round pancakes, pour the batter into the center of the pan and let it spread on its own. Keep an eye on the bubbles that start to form on the surface of the pancake. When the edges are dry and several bubbles pop on top, it's time to flip it. Using a spatula, carefully flip the pancake and let it brown on the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then, remove it and repeat the process with the rest of the batter. Now for the best part, the assembly. To make your pancakes even more irresistible, stack some on a plate and add your favorite toppings. The classic maple syrup dripping down the sides is always a great choice, but you can also use honey, jam, fresh fruit, whipped cream or even a little melted chocolate. And that's it. Your fluffy, golden American pancakes are ready to be devoured. This recipe is perfect for a special breakfast, a fancy brunch, or even for that moment when you just feel like eating something delicious. Let us know what you thought in the comments, and if you want more amazing recipes like this one, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.